YouPorn is a free pornographic video sharing website and one of the 100 most accessed websites in the world. Since launching in August 2006, it grew to become the most popular pornographic website on the internet, and, in November 2007, it was reported to be the largest free pornographic website as well. As of February 2013, it was the 83rd most popular website overall and the 5th most popular pornographic website. In the category of pornographic websites, it was surpassed in the rankings by competitor sites XHamster, Xvideos and Pornhub, as well as the adult webcam site LiveJasmin. This Web 2.0 or Porn 2.0 site differs from many other pornographic websites in that it is completely free and ad-supported. One journalist reported that in May 2007 it generated a monthly ad revenue of $120,000 and that it was owned by Stephen Paul Jones. The domain name was registered by a company in December 2005. YouPorn's own site reports that its owner is Midstream Media International NV, seated in Willemstad, the capital city of Curaçao, an island in the southern Caribbean Sea that forms a constituent country of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Sonny Freeman, a reporter pursuing a graduate degree in journalism at UBC, wrote one article in the TIE calling the company German-based. The site is run from a hosting service in Texas. In 2011, YouPorn was purchased by the adult entertainment and IT company Manwin, owners of other popular pornographic websites such as Pornhub and Spankwire based in Luxembourg.